Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, October 28th. Well, we had some fundamentals that came out as we discussed in the advanced video. But here I'd like us to focus on what's been happening. What we're looking at, if you're not familiar with this video, is we're looking at a swing trade concept. These are daily candles that you're looking at. And at dangramza.com, you can go back over 10 years and you would see how these lines have changed over time. The green line represents buy, the red line represents sell. Dash line means it's something that happened earlier in the week. Now, the difference between this buy level and that sell level is $2,100 a contract. The difference between, so you can see it, that dash red line and that green line is $150 a contract. It closed weak. I'm looking for a sideways move on Monday. Our friend here, the NASDAQ market, very similar structure that we saw with the S&P. The difference between that dash line and green line there is $200 a contract. The Dow is breaking lower, different movement, but remember, this is an arithmetic index. It's not a capitalization weighted index like the other indices that we just looked at. So how it responds and its product mix that makes up the Dow has an impact on how it absorbs information. So we do look for a down day, but not a big day down on Monday. The Russell, the mid cap, the small cap type stocks, the difference between the buy and sell level in that market is $1,900 a contract. Sideways movement is what we're looking for. And our friend, the euro, the difference between the sell to buy level in that market's $425 a contract. Looking for a down day, which means the US dollar stays dominant. Swissy, look for a sideways move in that market. Mr. Yen continues lower, and I do look for a down day on Monday. The rhythm, let me just show you that. The rhythm in this market, currencies do have a tendency to do that. See the buy come in, then we sell. Buy, sell, buy, sell. It's happened 5 times so far. So buyers are coming in and we see sellers responding again. Very interesting. Aussie dollar, a difference between the buy and sell level there, $100 a contract. And this we have to be careful of if you're on the short side. These are levels that we've found buyers before. Same thing holds true in the British pound. This difference between the sell and buy level, $250 a contract. It implies the US dollar will remain dominant. That also holds true in the Canadian dollar. US dollar, still applying downward pressure in that market. Difference between the sell and buy level in that market, $150 a contract. Now, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Had some volatility, but this is also slowing down. We may have a long-term high in, as we talked about in the advanced video. Structurally, it's implying some of the first clues that you look for in that market. And the dollar difference here between the buy and sell level, well, this difference here between the sell and buy level, that shorter distance, is $3,575 a contract. From this buy level to that sell level, it's $32,850 a contract. And I don't look for a big day down on Monday. 10-year notes, the yield has been getting stronger, so price continues lower. Dollar difference between the sell to buy level in the 10-year notes, $1,125 a contract. Friday should have been an up day. Look for a sideways to lower move in that market. And the 30-year bonds in the same boat. Dollar difference between the sell and buy level is $2,218.75. Now these references I'm giving you are not buy and sell recommendations, just ideas that I want to share that I hope it gives you some insights into the futures markets. In the gold market, you would think that'd be a lot higher right now. Actually, it's still positive, but be cautious here. Difference between the buy and sell level, $4,400 a contract. In silver, sideways move is expected for Monday. The buy to that sell level, $11,050 a contract. And when it comes to copper, sideways is what we're looking for. China is still absent. Crude oil, we got a lot of tension out there, especially in the Middle East, that could drive this higher. That would be the expectation for Monday. I also think you need to be cautious in that market. Dollar difference, sell to buy level there, $1,110 a contract. Now, nat gas, the sell level down to this buy level. That's $5,600 a contract. It closed positive, but it's what I call a false sense of security. Be careful here if you're on the long side. Soybeans has a mixture of information coming out. When we look at South America harvest in the United States, we have a number of conflicting things. So I'm looking for a sideways move in that market, potentially lower. Corn traded below its sell level, dollar difference, $500 a contract. Down day expected on Monday, but a small range day. Over in wheat, this is also a market with a lot of mixed fundamentals out there. The difference between the sell to buy level there, $350 a contract. I do look for a down day. Next 2 days are very important when it comes to the wheat from a longer term point of view. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Hope you found something helpful. Look forward to being with you again on Monday. In the meantime, have a terrific weekend and take care.